Roque visited you in PAGCOR? But before you answer that, I want to ask Cassandra. Cassandra, kasi si Attorney Harry Roque was telling us that he is your lawyer. Who is your lawyer? Si Topacio ba or si Harry Roque?
Sa Whirlwind lang po.
Sa Whirlwind lang siya lawyer. Dito sa pagdating mo sa Congress, ang lawyer mo na ay si ano?
Attorney Topacio.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for that answer. Happy ako, nakadinig na ako ng sagot mula kay Cassie. Al Tenco, will you confirm that you were able to talk to Cassie together with Attorney Harry Roque?
Your Honor, yes. She went to the office together with, as I had narrated this before, together with Attorney Harry Roque sometime in July 2023.
So, no July 2023, and after that, will you confirm also that she paid the amount that was due to that company, the Lucky South 99?
On that same day, so it was mali po yung, Your Honor, yun, iba po yung deposit slip na pinakikita ninyo.
Yeah,
earlier.
I know.
Opo.
These deposits are after.
Yun na po yung succeeding deposit.
Yes, correct.
On that day, July 24, July 26, 2023, they made two payments on that day that we met. One in the amount of $50,000 paid in cash, and the other in the amount of $153,000.
So that is the first payment. Two.
First payment. So a total of $203,000 po on that day that we
Okay.
met.
Will you confirm that, Cassandra, that you paid that? Don't be afraid. Huwag ka matakot. Basta makikooperate ka lang sa kongresong ito. We will not be adverse sa'yo.
Pakiulit po.
For the last time, I will not speak anymore after you.
Cassandra, can you reply to what the query of this representation? Yeah, sige, go ahead.
Pakiulit.
Sige, go ahead.
Pakiulit po.
Ha?
Pakiulit po.
Pareho rin.
Pakiulit.
Will you confirm that you were with Al Tenco during that time with Attorney Harry Roque and you paid those amount that he mentioned?
Yes po.
Yun. Thank you so much. And those two cash deposit slip, November and September 15, 2023, in the amount of $100,000 and $200,000, you also transmitted this amount.
Yes po.
Ayan. Thank you. Alam mo, makikikooperate naman talaga si Cassie eh. Ang problem lang, the people around, that's the problem that we are encountering. And basically, Cassandra, you are also the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation. Am I right?
Whirlwind lang po.
Yes, Whirlwind. You are the beneficial owner. And you have like 58% doon sa Whirlwind. So kanina, going back again doon sa sinasabi namin that merong malalaking tao na nakapaligid sa... You want to have an executive session with that? Para at
I'm
least...
still thinking pa po.
Ha?
I'm still thinking pa po.
You're still thinking?
Yes po. Thank
Okay.
you.
Sige, punta na lang tayo dun sa Mr. Chairman. Kasi meron dito mga incorporators, sila yung bagong mga directors, mga opisyales ng Lucky South 99 outsourcing. We were not able to ask them in the last hearing. Andiyan sila Julian Linsangan, sila Chan, and sila Ong. Sinasabi nyo na that identity theft yung sa inyo. Di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At sinasabi nyo that si Cassandra Ong nakausap nyo through Viber video. Am I right?
We don't know the apps that used by the Dan de la Cruz,
Sige.
Your Honor.
O sige, well, the chairman have whispered sa akin that I have to wrap up. But this is very important, no? Yung sa tatlong iyon. Kasi yung tatlo bang yun, kilala mo? Yung tatlong incorporators na yan? Can you kindly stand up, Julian? Kilala mo ba kasi?
Hindi po. Pero,
Pamilyar?
naka-video call ko yata.
Naka-video call mo sila?
I think one time through Dan.
And you were trying to tell us, no, you can sit down. Julian, ano ka legal researcher ka pala, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Legal officer ka rin ng Mighty Corporation.
Before, Your Honor.
Yes, and legal consultant ka din ng Legendary Fireworks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So in other words, you are all qualified to be a official of this corporation. Last question. Sige, last question na ako. I'll be asking you about the itong tinatawag nating kay Marion Ryan Ong Chua. Meron ka bang pinurchase na manager's check in the amount of 2.6 million?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka, ha?
Yes po, Your Honor.
You're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
At pag napatunayan namin that you did, in the next hearing, we'll be citing you in contempt as well. Ha? And si Julian Linsangan, may alam ka ba sa Yes to Health Incorporated?
Pardon, Your Honor.
Yes to Health Incorporated.
No, Your Honor.
Wala kang alam.
Wala po.
Sa Puting Kahoy, Silang Cavite. Ha?
No, Your Honor.
Na kung saan nakapag-issue ka ng check amounting to 16.7 million. You are under oath. Tanda mo yan, Julian.
No,
You are under oath. 16.7 million. Huwag kang magsisinungaling sa kongresong ito and we will be citing you in contempt. Believe me.
Your Honor, I will check the transaction.
This is 16.7 million. Ang laki nito para makalimutan mo. Meron ba
Ang natatanda ko po 16 million.
sa iyong
Your
asawa, kay Rachel Ann Linsangan? Yes or no?
Your Honor, ang natatanda ko po sa transaction na yan, meron pong nabentang property na ako yung authorized representative, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. I'm telling you, 16.7 million.
Yes, Your Honor. Yun po yung...
Ito ang sinasabi mo, benta ng lupa.
yes, Your Honor.
Submit to us the deed of sale
Yes, Your Honor.
pertaining to that. Ano?
Yes,
ha?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sino ang katransaction mo sa 16.7 million? Anong lupa? Saan?
Yun po sa...
Saan?
Yung sa binanggit niyo pong lugar, Your Honor, Puting
Saan
Kahoy.
lugar? Puting Kahoy. Gaano kalaki? Ilang square meter?
2,500 square meter, Your Honor.
2,500 square meter, 16 points. How much per square meter?
It's 7,000, Your Honor.
7,000? Saang area yan?
Doon po sa Puting Kahoy, Your Honor.
Saan nga sa Puting Kahoy? Anong barangay?
Hindi ko po matanda. But
Alam natin ang assessment ng lupa dyan. Saan? Sa Silang.
I will submit the document, Your Honor.
Ang dami mong lupa.
No, Your Honor, that's
Para
not-
hindi mo malaman yung bentahang yon. You
Your-
tell me, honestly, may bentahan ng lupa? Wala.
Meron, Your Honor. Representative lang po ako, Your Honor.
Representative ka lang. O so paano ka nag-transfer ng 16.7 million?
No, Your
Dito
Honor,
sa Y2.
hindi po-
Yes to Health.
Hindi po transfer, Your Honor.
Manager's check.
Wala pong yes to help akong alam, Your Honor. Pero meron akong alam na nabentang lupa, Your Honor.
Anong sinasabi mo restaurant? Wala akong sinasabi restaurant.
Yung yes to help, Your Honor.